guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I made a wristwatch fire shooter. So here's the watch. As you can see, the material I use for fireballs are flash paper and flash cotton. So the working process is very simple. When I push this button, the nitro wire inside the tube gets ignited, and due to which the flash cotton catches fires and it comes out with a very high pressure. I also add a blue LED light only for decoration purpose. So let's start the video.
If I'm just a mistake, why do you come back to me? Every step that you take echoes through. Don't let me go.
So guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoy, then please do like and share, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe. So see you in my next video.